That whole thing is full?
Yeah. Oh my god.
This place goes on forever. So many treasures. Honestly. It's wild. Look at these old fishing lures. Okay, so I'm here. My hair's still wet and crunchy. That's not what this video is about. But like, this place goes on forever. There's like so many displays. Okay, welcome to the creepiest booth in this place. Yep, that is right. I particularly like these guys. I mean, she's special. And so is she. Ugh. Okay, here are my treasures. Okay, we're locked and loaded. We're going for a little girl walk. Not a little girl walk, but like a girl walk. We're going for a little walk with just the girls. Me and Cher. Beeps, come on. You ready to rock? Let's go. Come on.